Hello guys, good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel. At ito ay short video lang po na nakita ko. Pakinggan natin at let's go! Hindi ko na patagalin pa para makita nyo yung kanyang cover song.
And now you see you want to leave. Suddenly lights today. Those words I thought you never say. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never be this much again? No, no,
Umigit ka para
I
kasi
just can't let go. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never be this much again? Oh no. Tonight I hope you'll be right. Tomorrow I'll pretend to finally put it all behind me and wake and find that I have found a new life in love soul and find that I know how to let you go. You go.
Wow, so short video lang po ito at hindi naman naitapos yung video kaya ito lang 1 minute lang and 35 seconds yung video na to kaya short video lang to guys. So actually masabi ko maganda yung boses ni Kuya, malinaw at lalo pang gumanda kahit masakit yung kanta na to, no? How do you feel a broken heart? Cover by El Chimon. Si El Chimon pala ang pangalan nito yung kumakaver na to, yung kumakanta. So while kumakanta, nagiinuman sila. So ayun kagandahan doon. Nakita ko lang din yung video na to kasi kung buong buo lang tong video na to mas mahaba at mapakinggan pa natin yung buong kanta na to. So malinaw at nakaka-amaze yung mga ganitong boses. So guys, hanggang doon lang yung ating reaction video. Maraming salamat. Please consider subscribe my YouTube channel para ma-update kayo sa mga ganitong reaction video. Short video lang po.